Hello everybody! I was in a power tool shopping spree in Lidl again, and this time I overdone myself. So it's time for another couch boxing video. Which one will we do first? This time let's go with the smallest one. This is Parkside Cordless Multi-Grinder, model number PFBS 12A1. It is actually lithium-ion high-speed Dremel type tool. First of all, let's see the boring specs. The manufacturer, I don't exactly know which one is it. I took a quick look but couldn't find anything on internet. I'm sure somebody is producing this for Parkside, which is Lidl brand, of course. What is good, it has 3 years warranty, and I think it is more or less no questions asked. You just bring the machine and the receipt. It's called Cordless Multi-Grinder, and it doesn't say much about it. Replacement battery can be ordered. For contact details, please refer to the manual. So yeah, that is good information. Now my first impression of this, and I think I'm not the only one, is that it's actually quite a big thing. On the picture I expected this to be smaller. I actually wanted to order this online. It is the first time I saw it in the local Lidl today, and it is actually quite inexpensive, around a little more than 20 euro up here, so in other places it may be even cheaper. So let's open the box without further ado. Okay, it is secured with cable tie, and you can padlock it if you choose so. By the way, I like carrying cases for not only power tools, for all tools. Carrying case or storage case is a selling point for me, definitely. And this one is, well, yeah, it has this translucent like showcase thingy, but it's better than nothing. Anyhow, it just pops out of its place here. And it feels, it feels a bit heavy in the hand. So I don't know if it would be comfortable, you know, for prolonged use, doing something precisely and so on. Yeah, let's look at the accessories. This is the case. You zoom this thing out a bit. You flip this thing open, and here is the battery cradle for charging the battery. And yeah, it has some crude logic inside. The charger is 14.5 volts, 450 milliamps. Switch mode power supply, pretty light thing, of course. And there are instruction manuals underneath. By the way, this is plastic, also white plastic. It is not cardboard or anything else, and it is flexible. And all this case actually feels quality and quite durable. Polypropylene, if I am not wrong. So the manual is quite hefty, but it is in 4 languages. So screw the manual and accessories and everything. Let's see the exciting thing first. I'm so exciting, I'm kicking the tripod here. Yeah, this thing feels quite substantial, well made. and a bit heavy, which I don't think it is a really good thing for a tool like this. You have to hold it like this, you cannot hold it like pencil, it seems, but you have to grip it tightly. And it has rubber grips. Let's see the battery. You should push it like this, then pull it out, and yeah, it's a quite substantial battery. What do they say? So 12 volt maximum, whatever this means. Lithium. It's free cell. It's nominally 3.6 volts, so it is what, 10.8, not 12. Yeah, okay, whatever. And battery type, if you are interested, is PFBS 12A1-1. And what does it say? Battery for cordless multi-grinder, 1300 milliamp. Yeah, 1300 milliamp hours at 12 volts. So yeah, obviously standard cells inside. So you can, they say you can get replacement for this, but yeah, even if you couldn't, probably it wouldn't be so hard to replace the cells. And it is like the same weight as the rest of the drill. Okay, this is the on switch and speed regulation, and it turns on. This is the power switch also. I expected it to be just speed regulation, and you have to start it with this button probably, but no, it's on. And yeah, funky. You see the battery status. Yeah, it is battery powered. I can clearly hear the switching frequency now when it is in low speed. The motor, DC motor, is singing, if I can use this term or this word. It's not even a term. It can rotate quite slowly, and this is the stepless regulation or control, and it spins quite a bit fast. Okay, so this is obviously to lock this spindle, so you can unscrew it. It has some kind of conical tool holder. I'm not really sure if this is the standard type of thing. Let's see about the accessories. They mentioned something about these collets. So let's take this thing apart again. Okay, yeah, this collet, I can take it out, and there are 4 spare ones. I'm not exactly sure why is that. Are they different dimensions maybe? I think they mentioned spare. They use the word spare, and no, okay, yes, actually. So there are different dimensions, different inner diameter for different kind of tools, because this system, obviously, you can see the notches here, they're quite small, so the range of this thing is not big. So this is why you have to use 5 of these collets, 4+1, to accommodate whole range of tools of these diameters. Okay, zoom it out a little bit. So this is all included. They had also Parkside kit, accessories kit with Dremel style box, and you know, this is just a Dremel type everything. But it is nice that the basic tool includes quite a lot of things to make it useful out of the box. So yeah, let's see. Stone grinders. These are just some bristles. Milling tools. I hope I'm getting the terminology correct. This is like plastic bristle brush. Those are holders for discs, and those are all drill bits. It goes from 0.8 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6 and 2.0. So this is quite useful. Main reason I bought this is for PCB prototype making. I don't dare say manufacturing, and it has drill bits from 0.8 up to 2 out of the box, so this is quite useful and quite nice. It could be used to drill PCB holes out of the box. I think for the traces, more or less everything you need is here. You can add 3 millimeter on top of this to drill some mounting holes, and yeah, this is it, everything you need to get you started at least. For those discs there are some felt pads and a little box of goodies. So what is inside? There are some stone grinders, and the rest are just like sanding paper pads. It seems to me they're all of the same granulation, but those things wear out quickly. Let's take a look at the manual then. You can get it online also. What is included? So not interesting, safety not interesting, safety not interesting, charging, yeah, we know. This might be something interesting. Setting a suitable rotational speed, number on the speed control. Now they don't actually mention actual speed, just it's numbered 1 through 5 or 6. Which speed you use? Slow speed for plastic or materials with low melting point, medium speed for stone ceramics, faster for softwood metal, that's 5, 6 for hardwood, and maximal speed for steel, so it's actually 7 steps. Application examples. This is interesting because it mentions accessories. For drilling you use HSS drills, use working wood. So HSS, I would say, it's for steel, not for wood, so that is a little bit I don't know, questionable. And yeah, this is interesting. Protrusion, how much you set the tool to protrude from the drill. And you can also get function, something like uses for this: drilling, milling, engraving, polishing, rust removal, cleaning, grinding, disconnecting. What is disconnecting? Okay, cutting actually. with cutting discs. I didn't see any cutting discs included. Maybe those stone things. Okay, maintenance, not interesting. Components handles GM. So this is probably company that distributes it or gets it, like procures it for Lidl. I don't think they actually. No, I know they don't produce it. And yeah, this is it. So I was hoping for some specifications, like how fast, what is the rotational speed of this thing, at least maximal speed, but no. Okay, this might be slightly interesting. It is you can order the spare battery, and yeah, the battery plus shipping equals the price of the tool itself, so that is a bit questionable. But yeah, at least you can get spare battery, which is fine. Plus you get 3 years warranty. I don't know if this includes battery, probably not, but who knows. So that is it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Like you saw on the beginning of the video, I have more stuff to look at from this shopping spree, so stay tuned. So if you found this video interesting, do the usual stuff like dislike, subscribe, and see you next time. And I did manage to find the information about the rotational speed of this tool. It is written right on the tool itself. It spins from 5,000 all the way up to 25,000 RPMs, so even more than I expected. So let's hear it once again, and it has to be quite a good mechanical balance inside to achieve this kind of rotational speed. Once again, thanks for watching.